Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. QGIS in a QGIS, there are so many things you can do in a QGIS. There are so many functionality you can also do in QGIS. But I want to show you how you can access and open data from OpenStreetMap into a QGIS and how you can make a simple map in a QGIS, like those kind of stuff, how you can manipulate some data into different things. So if you have a QGIS in your computers, you will have like, there are so many tools here around. So I'm going to go to web, open map, and I'm going to add OpenStreet standard. Let's say this is, I believe this is Tanzania. Okay, Serengeti, I'm kind of familiar with the place. I'm going to show you how you can make a simple map of the features that you want to make to, yeah. So okay, so I've just added an OpenStreetMap standard into my QGIS. It's a very simple, just like I've showed you. You go to web, you go to quick map service, you go to OpenStreetMap standard. This is possible only if you have a plugin of quick OSM that we've already seen how you can add the plugins. Like you have to manage and install plugin, you have to click it. With time, you will have to search for the plugin that you want to use. So I'm assuming like you must have those plugins, like a quick search, which I have quick OSM. Like here, I have already have it, so there's no need of install it. So after having that, now maybe I want to create a map, or I want to download, or I want to maybe I want to make a map of the health center variable in Gum Serengeti, or even in your area. It's easier. I will just go to vector, and I will go to quick OSM. Okay. After going to quick OSM, there's a query here. There is a quick query. So gonna be the quick query. And what do I want? I think most of the features that are defined in OpenStreetMap are be in the amenity. So the value of my amenity will be, what do I want to show? Like there are so many things here, but I need health centers, hospital maybe. Where? In Mgum. And I will run the query to see what will happen. With time, query will be processed, be running. There. So you can see here, like these are the hospital that we have in Gumu, but yeah, I'm going to run again a query. I just want to get all the informations of health facility centers so that I can make a map of those health facility centers. Okay, and then I'm going again to vector, quick. manage, oh, sorry, manage the value. Let's say we have a clinic in Mgumu. I'm running a query to see. Fine, I'm going to run all of them. Many, what am I going to check? Do we have doctors in Mgumu? I'm running a query. There's no result. That means we don't have doctors in Mgumu. Do we have a dentist in Mgumu? Yes, we have some dentists. Okay. What others? What other farmers in Mgumu? Let's see. True. Anything else which relates to health facility center? So I think for those, okay, I think I've had enough. So let's see, like I have a farmers community. Like, let me see how many do I have on the attribute table. Can you guys see my attribute table? Hello?
No,
No?
yes, we can't see it.
Let me share my attribute table. Can you see my attribute table? This is the attribute table for farmers.
Yes, yes. Now,
Yeah, I have so like 27 farmers around Mugumu. So, and another for dentist. Let me see my attribute table for dentist. I have like 8 dentists. Doesn't look like dentist. I don't know. Let's see for clinic. We have like 2, 3 clinics here. And let's see for hospitals. How many hospitals do I have? I have 1 hospital. Okay. Uh, now, I'm going to these data on OSM, so I'm going to change them into a Shapefile. I'm going to give them different names, so I'm going to export them as Shapefile. I'm going to give them a name into a different folder. This has to be like OSM Training. And we say there's a farmers. I'm saving to Shapefile, I'm saving it. be farmer's shapefile. Here's the farmer's shapefile, and the dentist. Dentist. Save. Okay. Then I'm going to have clinic. Save. I'm going to have hospital. Save. Okay. Now I get, now I have like all of the features. Let me remove some of these OSM data. So these are my data that I have. You see, they have different color. It's like you will see I have farmers with it's different color. Okay, I have dentist, it's different color. I have clinic, different color. I have hospital. So you can see how you can use these data. I can make a map of the distribution of health centers around Ngum Serengeti, or around your place actually. So, okay, since we have all of these, I mean, we can also download, get the uh, road data around Gumu. So I'm going to go with, they'll be like highways, and what most of these are unclassified. So I will go right to unclassified, and I'll go to Ngumu to see how many roads, to see the distribution of roads. Okay, already have those. So here I have the distribution of roads in Ngumu, and all of these are classified. So I'm also going to change this to Shapefile. It's be called a road. A road. There, I have a road. I'm going to remove this. So this is what I have. Okay, and then I think probably has to be like the down part. Yeah. And then I think the boundary of the place, I don't know, the boundary of this place will be awesome. Let me try to get the boundary of this. I think I have it. So we'll go to layer, we'll add layer, vector layer. I think I have a boundary from Boom Serengeti. Let me see. Vector. No, where did I save it? Where? Sorry. Geodata. Thanks. Okay. Wait, this one. Sudo. It has to be download. Which part? The very small part here. I'm going to select it because I'm going to deal with only this part to show the distribution. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to export only this part. And then I'm going to export it. And I'm calling it boundary. Okay. I'm going to save it. Oh, sorry. I have to go direct to the place. Not really exactly here. I have to go to folder that I want to save my data. OSM training and be here. And then okay. And what? I think I've done something stupid. Sorry, I'm sorry. I missed something. Yes. I have to select this. Sorry. And I have to export it, the selected. Export, save selected features. Yeah, I have missed that. And I have to save it boundary and leave like this. Yes. Save. Okay, I guess I will have this and then I will remove the larger one. Remove here. Oh, sorry. Remove. Thanks. And let me see, you have some question here. Okay, somebody asked me, can you repeat kidogo kukata hilo eneo? La nilo select hili. Hello? Aliyeuliza swali, nirudie hii sehemu ya kuweka boundary.
Ndio.
Yeah. Okay. Hii boundary na shapefile ya words zote za Tanzania. So nimeichukua tu kwenye nani, nimeenda kwenye layer, ninayo tayari hii shapefile. Lakini pia unaweza ukaipata kwenye OpenStreetMap, which boundary zake is showing, but it's not that way that I want it. So that's why I'm always using the shapefile I have on my computer. And since I'm doing a GIS work most of my time, I have to have a GIS shapefile. So naenda kwenye add vector, tayari nimesha select hapa, iko moja kwa moja selected automatically, naenda ku add. Okay, nadhani imekuja automatically hii huku. So hii hapa. So naenda kuselect hapa, kuna features za kuselect. Hii hapa select feature, nachukua na click hapa. Kuna select feature by polygon, by freehand, naenda kuselect feature. Alafu naenda kuselect yenyewe, alafu naenda kuangalia area ambayo niko nayo interested, ambayo ni hii hapa, na select. Nikisha select naenda hapa kwenye na right click, naenda kwenye ku export na export, na bonyeza kuselect kusave selected features. Kwa hiyo hii niliyo select itakuwa features ambayo iko be selected, and then I'm gonna click on save that feature, and I'm going to save it. I told you I've saved it like a boundary. What? Gonna save it, and then I'm gonna click OK, and I'm gonna remove the larger feature. Oh, sorry. I don't know why I messed up with this. So I'm going to remove this layer. Okay. So from that point, I will have like that. So since next, what am I going to do then? I can see there are features which are out of my boundary. Okay, like this line, which I don't want them to be outside of my boundary. I really want all my feature to be inside the boundary. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do a little bit of processing. Like, let's see, processing. So I'm going to vector to do some geometry. Is it geometry? Let me see. I'm going to geoprocessing tool. I'm going to what? I'm going to clip some features. What do I want to have at the end of the day? I just want to have the the roads that are inside my boundary, and these features points that are inside my boundary, I want to clip them out. I just want to have that small area on that, not outside of the area. So I'm going to vector geoprocessing, and I'm going to do clip, and input layer, it has to be that it's already selected. The overlay, it has to be boundary. And the output, let me create, now save to a file. It has to be no way out, not this, it has to be OSM data. Okay, let's see, OSM training. And then I'm going to save this as, let's say, roads. Yeah. Save, run. No special index for input layer, performance will be severely decreased. Let's see, did I manage to do that? So I've equipped out all the row that I want, and I'm going to remove the row that are outside this. So I'm not going to use this. Okay, what else? I can only see the things that are clipped out, the things that is highway and classified in blue. I don't want this. It's just here by mistake. So you can see okay, so oh, fantastic. Now you can see I've managed to clip out the unwanted data that I don't want. So you can see I have these. Okay, now I already have like the features, the things that I wanted. So I'm going to boundary. I just want to make this thing be transparent a bit. So I'm going to property, and this one, well, I'll have to change some of the things like maybe stroke, maybe freestyle, maybe stroke width. Some of the thing I have to change it. Okay, and maybe a color. It has to be transparent. I want transparent so that I can see the features inside. Color. It has to be transparent. Let's see here. So I have the transparent one. And what about road? I want my road. How do I want my road to look like? Is this really good for me? I'm going to change like the color of the road. Do I want that to be a colorful road? Let's say, which color should I use to represent a road? Maybe this one. I don't want to use those color that are very sensitive to eyes. I have to be very careful with the color I'm choosing. So this one, I think it can be okay. So these are my rods, okay? Doesn't matter actually. Or should I go to white one? Let me try with white. Sometimes white look good. Road. Okay, I'm going with color. Let's say white. Yes. So no, you won't be able to see. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Let me go with this. I get no. This color is killer. This one it could be 5. So here are the roads and hospital. Let me choose the appropriate side of hospital. And let's see what will the hospital. I think this is the good way of presenting hospital. This one. And I'm going to apply it. I'm going to. So let's see how will hospital look like. Where's the hospital? Here is my hospital, the red one. And how will clinic look like? Let me go to property. So I'm trying to change this, everything. It will be this, but the color. Will the color be this? Let me go with the color. So I'm going to change. I'm going to use different color to represent different things. Like this, maybe I apply to this and this. So you're going to see the difference between clinic and hospital, and also dentist. Same symbol but different color. This one. Which color should I use? Maybe this one. Apply. Okay. See? And farmers. Let me see farmers. Which color? Property. This simple color. Should use which? This one. Just a matter of applying which color should you use this. Let me change the color, please. It doesn't look really that different. Go to change it to this at least. Yeah. So here, I can even label them. I can label. With the name, we're gonna label them. Farmers, the names. Gonna label dentist. I'm going to label clinic. I'm going to label hospital. Okay, now I have a name of all, I've already labeled, and I have a symbol of all the things that I want. After here now, so here I can make my map. I don't need this. I can use it, but I don't really need it because I've already had what I really wanted. So I'm going to remove this. Open Street, I'm going to remove. And I'm going to create a new map. I'm going to print. What is this? This is health center facilities map of where Serengeti. Yes, you guys, can you see where I am right now? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, let me share another thing here. I don't think if you can see it. Oh, yeah, here. So final, this is where I'm going to make my map. This is like a print large. So what am I going to add item? I'm going to add map, clicking on map and adding. So you can see, I can choose a scale. So here's the place where you can choose a scale. I think this is good. Though the feature won't be that big, but at least this can show all part of a map that we want to show. Okay, and what else? In the map we must need, we have what next? We have a legend. Where should we put our legend? Here. That okay? And what else? We need scale bar. This is my scale bar. Scale is necessary. Okay. And what else? We have north direction. I like this one. Yeah. And what else? Map need a heading. Title, yes, map need a heading. I'm going to put a title here. here. Serengeti, Ethi, centers, facilities, map, right? So I'm going to choose a font that can be clearly seen, like 18 is enough, it's quite good, 18. Yes. It has to be centered, yes. Yes. I don't need that, that's enough, I guess. So, I think from here we could all agree that is something missing here in this map? Maybe something is missing. Okay, I'm going to save my map. I'm going to save it, export it to PDF. Okay, OSM Training. It's going to take time, save. So, let me show you. Let me show you the map, the output. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So, I mean, okay, so how does it look? How does the map look?